Hello guys, once again welcome back to my new video. Today guys, in this video inshallah I want to share with you is only about traffic signals. For those people that are doing the exam for drum test, first they have to pass the signal test, then they can do the drum test. Traffic sign and line sign have become the official language for all the road users through which they communicate and understand each other. Okay, so the Romans were among the first people to use the traffic signs, as they put stones on the side of the road, yes, to guide the people to their destination. Okay, so for those people they are going to do their drum test, they have to learn about the signal test first. They will do for them exam about the signal test. So when they pass the signal test, they can do drum test, of course. The people who are pass already the drum test and slope test, they know already about these things. Okay, I will leave this video for you. Thank you for watching.